Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, we will see how to find the output of a program in C language. First of all, I will declare a variable of integer type. Its name is A and value is 4, and also a variable name B is declared but not initialized. Now next, a variable of float type will be declared and a value of 2.3 is initialized to variable C. Now next, use this formula B is equal to C multiplied by A, and now use printf to display the result of this formula. As the B variable is of integer type, so we use %d as format specifier. Now B is written in the printf statement, and let's check the output of this program. First of all, build it and now execute it. So its output is 9. So how this 9 is come? Basically, A is equal to 4 and if the value of C is 2.3, but in math when you multiply 4 with 2.3, the result will be 9.2, but our computer result is 9. Now the reason is because the variable B is of integer type, and we know that integer type variable not include decimal point numbers. So 9.2 will be changed into 9, and therefore the result is 9. As you can see, hopefully you understand today's lecture. Best of luck and Allah Hafiz.